Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing great at your places. And today we'll be starting with a new chapter, that is vocabulary. As we all know, what is vocabulary? Vocabulary is basically, it's a mini dictionary, that whatever word that you came across during your reading or any source of reading that you are doing, we basically note down those words in our notebook, and this is a mini dictionary which is known as vocabulary. Vocabulary basically, it's very important part of grammar, because if you have a continue habit of reading, then you must be having a reading also, and of course writing those words that you came across while reading. So this is a very important chapter, and let's just begin with the different words that we came across. And please make sure that after completing this chapter you all learn these words by heart, so that you can use it while writing your राइटिंग स्किल्स, दैट इज छोटे छोटे पैराग्राफ्स, एसेज हम लोग लिखते हैं और उसमें हम ये सारे शब्दों का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स जस्ट बिगिन विद दिस चैप्टर, दैट इज वोकैबुलरी. सो द टाइटल ऑफ आवर चैप्टर इज vocabulary, right? Vocabulary is a kind of a mini dictionary that we will be studying. So first are the colors name. सबसे पहले हम रंगों के नाम पढ़ने वाले हैं. The first one is brown color. You can see this dot. It is brown in color, right? It is shaded in brown color, right? The second color is white, जिसको हम सफेद बोलते हैं. Green color is of course हरा रंग. Yellow color we all know it's पीला रंग. Pink color, हम लोग girls usually like pink, right? Indigo is kind of a violet color which is present in what? Which is mentioned or which is present in rainbow, right? The next one is gray color. We all know this. Blue color, नीला रंग. Purple color, it's जामुनी color, ब्रिंजल का color यही होता है. Black colors, we all know about this. And the last one is red color. Moving on to the parts of the body. हम body के सारे parts के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं. That first is finger, जिसको हम उंगलियां बोलते हैं. Then of course it's brain, that is our मस्तिष्क, right? Toe, we all know our feet, जो होता है toe मतलब पंजे. Nails, we all know nails. The next one is thumb, this is the thumb. The nose, you all know this. Eyes, you all know eyes, ears, nose, and skin, these all are the sense organs. Then the next one is stomach, right, which helps in digestion, which has gastric juice in it, so that helps to digest the food. The next one is lip. Foot कहते हैं एक पैर को, right? Waist, कमर. Hair, we all know it's हम लोग के बाल. Ear is of course कान. Arm, हमारी बाजू, right? The next one is neck. The next one is mouth. You all know about this. Throat, हमारा गला. Heart, हमारा दिल, right? Cheeks, we all know हमारे गाल. Hands, हमारे हाथ. Face, हमारा जो face दिख रहा है, right? Head is हमारा सर. Chest, we all know this. Leg, हमारी टांगे. Breast, we all know the front part. Shoulder, हमारे कंधे, right? जिसके अंदर क्या रहता है? This is a ball and a socket joint रहता है यहाँ पे. The next one is beard, मतलब दाढ़ी. Skin, we all know this. Tongue and palm. What is a palm? This is the palm, right? Moving on to the names of the fruits and vegetables. The first is pineapple, right? The next one is the orange. Then guava, we all know guava, basically rich in vitamin A. Then papaya, it is very useful in the digestion, right? Then it's the grapes, which are also rich in vitamin A. Then of course it's apple. Apple, basically they prevent night blindness, right? Custard apple is basically, it's a rich quality apple, right? Fig, it's very useful. It helps you when you have anemia. जब आपकी body में खून की कमी हो जाती है, then we have this fig, right? Mango, we all know, good source of carbohydrates. Mulberry is kind of vitamin C, rich vitamin C. Peach, we all know this. Melons, खरबूजा जिसको हम बोलते हैं, vitamin C. Again, plum, it is also rich in vitamin C. Then of course it's pear, जिसको हम नाशपाती बोलते हैं. Banana, rich in potassium and zinc. Then of course it's plum again, right? This is sapodilla. It's again a kind of a fruit which is kind of a it basically, it looks like similar to dragon fruit, right? Blackberry, we all know this. Then ginger, अदरक जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Watermelon, rich in vitamin C, right? Potatoes, जिसको हम आलू बोलते हैं. Coconut, again rich in vitamin C. It basically helps to prevent dehydration. Pumpkin भी बहुत अच्छा सोर्स है विटामिन सी का. बिटर गार्ड, जिसको हम करेला बोलते हैं, रिच इन विटामिन ए और बहुत ही ज़्यादा एलर्जिक डिजीजेस को कंट्रोल करने में मदद करता है. जैक फ्रूट, जिसको हम कटहल बोलते हैं, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट vegetable, right? The next one is carrot, rich in vitamin A, जिसको हम गाजर बोलते हैं. इसके अंदर बीटा कैरोटीन होता है जो आपकी आईज की शार्पनेस बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ाता है. Onions, we all know it lowers the BP, whereas cauliflower, we all know बंद गोभी जिसको बोलते हैं. Loofah is again kind of a bean, right? Canohol, it's canohol, it's again a kind of a it's a kind of a vegetable only. Brinjal we all know, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, बैंगन, लेडी फिंगर, ये भी बहुत अच्छी रहती है आपके हेल्थ के लिए. लेमन, रिच सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन सी. देन स्पिनच, इट कंटेन्स अ लॉट ऑफ आयरन which helps to prevent any skin diseases and of course helps to prevent about anemia, right? Pea, we all know मटर. Mint is पुदीना, right? Chili, very good. It's basically a आप कह सकते हैं this is a spice. And radish, we all know this. Moving on to the names of flowers. The first flower is lotus, right? Which is basically this is basically presented to Lord Lakshmi, right? Daisy, we all know it comes in spring season. Lilies also, touch me not plants, जिनको आप शाम के बाद टच करेंगे तो वो मुरझा जाएंगे. Then rose, we all know this. Silk, cotton, jasmine, again all are the names of flowers. Narcissus, right? Mongolia and marigold. Marigold is a very common flower which is grown everywhere, right? The next one is the names of animals. The first is bitch, right? Bitch, you all know about bitch. That is dog के female को bitch बोलते हैं. Kid, then of course it's rabbit. Then calf, camel का he goat दिया हुआ है इन्होंने. Dog is the name of an animal. She goat, right? Ass is kind of a monkey. Cat, right? Cow. Kitten, cat का baby kitten होता है. Horse, then of course it's monkey, which basically it's a you can say it's a arboreal animal because it resides on plants. Horse का baby mare होता है. Then of course it's tiger. Panther, again they are the category of cat family. Stag is of course a baby of some animal. Mouse, चूहा. Ox, right? Fox का gender we have studied yesterday, it's vixen. Then elephant, we all know. Ape is monkey only. Crocodiles, they are the amphibians which live on land also and of course on water also. Then bull, cow का bull होता है. Then it's jackal. Pig, we all know this. Bear, bhalu. Wolf, bhediya, right? Boar is of course again a kind of a bhediya only. You can say kind of bhalu only. Leopard, we all know it belongs to cat family. Then sheep, similar to goat होती है but it has a thick fur. Mangoes भी kind of mangoes होते हैं. Mangoes नहीं, monkey होते हैं. Pig, buffalo. Then of course it's deer जिसको हम हिरन बोलते हैं. And then the last one is camel. Moving on to the name of birds. The first is owl, right? Then is the drake. Then the next one is pigeon. Duck का क्या होता है? Drake. Cuckoo, right? Nightingale, we all know Sarojini Naidu, she is known as the Nightingale of India. Then it's crow, right? Cock, right? Kind of hen. Eagle, we all know eagles and vultures, they are basically omnivores. And hen. Bat, we all know चमगादड़. Peacock का peahen होता है. Kites are of course the birds, देखिए आ गया peahen. Then of course it's chicken जिसको मुर्गी बोलते हैं. Crane, ostrich जैसे related होता है. Parrot, swan, ostrich का एक सबसे largest egg होता है. Then of course it's bee lives in beehives. Moving on to the names of worms and insects. First is bow. Bow is an insect. Wasp is also an insect. Then of course it's turtle. It's butterfly. Next is cobra. Then of course it's termite. Termites क्या होते हैं? दीमक जो लग जाती है. Crabs, we all know it's a seafood. Flea is of course a seafood only. Bog is also a food. Scorpion is of course a seafood. Lizard, we all know छिपकली. Fly is of course मक्खियाँ. Fireflies जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? जुगनू, right? Spiders, we all know मकड़ी. Lice is of course जुएं that basically take birth in our scalp, on our scalp. Mosquitoes, मच्छर होते हैं. Leech भी kind of जूं ही होती हैं. Fish, we all know this. Cricket is of course It's an insect which has large wings, right? Then of course it's frog, मेंढक जिसको हम amphibian animal भी बोलते हैं because it resides on land also and of course on water also. Grasshopper and then snake. The next one is the days of the week जिसको हम हफ्ते के दिन बोलते हैं. Sunday, we all know Monday, right? Tuesday, then come the it's Wednesday. It's not Wednesday. D is silent. Then of course it's Thursday. Then of course it's Friday, and then the last one is Saturday. Then moving on to this months in the year, we all know it's January, right? The next one is February. Then of course it's March. Then of course it's April. Then May. Then we all know June, and July is going on, right? Then comes the August. Then of course it's September. Then of course it's October. Then November. And the last one is December. Moving on to the name of the seasons. The first season is summer season, we all know. Then comes the winter. Then comes the rainy season. Then the autumn one. Then it's Hamant, जिसको हम हेमंत बोलते हैं. And then the spring. Then comes the name of the directions. We all know there are 4 directions. The first is east. Then of course it's west. देखिए map जो हमारा बना हुआ होता है, I don't have a drawing and a pencil over here, but let me draw and tell you. See, I'll just erase it. See, this is the map. Kind of this इसी तरीके से map बना होता है, right? और इधर की साइड ये क्या है? दिस इज ईस्ट, देन दिस इज वेस्ट, दिस इज नॉर्थ एंड दिस इज साउथ. दिस इज नॉट ईस्ट, ये ईस्ट नहीं है, ईस्ट इधर है, राइट? मैप का ईस्ट इधर है. सो प्लीज जस्ट keep in mind, right? I have drawn specially for you so that you can remember the directions very clearly. There is no need to mug up, you just have to understand it very clearly, right? So it's east, west, then the third one is north, and the last one is south. So I hope you all understood about vocabulary. So do study properly for your exams and stay blessed. Thank you.